Since 2021, Kaukau for Keiki has helped bring thousands of healthy, locally sourced meals to Keiki across Hawaiʻi County. But over the years, we began noticing something else. Keiki were not only coming to receive meals, they were showing up early, packing bags, carrying boxes, greeting families, and volunteering alongside their parents and friends. So we asked them what made them want to help.
Something that motivated me to do this is seeing the need that there is for it. Like, you see all the kids come through and you see okay, yeah, this is a necessary thing we need in our community.
What actually motivated me to be here at Kaukau for Keiki is because I'm an aspiring politician, and I mean, as I want to do public service, I see this as an opportunity to really connect with those who are in need, and see them smile.
When my dad brought us here, and it was such a small group that was helping, and I feel like for everybody to come together and put the work and effort in is something that is really good to look forward to.
It's about helping others and taking care of the community.
Some came because their family volunteered, some wanted to spend time with friends, and others simply saw something that needed to be done.
My favorite part about Kaukau for Keiki is giving the food to other kids and seeing them smile.
Their answers remind us that volunteering does not always begin with a big plan. Sometimes it begins with being invited, being given a job, and realizing that even one person can help make the day a little easier for someone else.
I think helping others makes my community stronger, because if I help others, then maybe they can help other people too someday.
Through Kaukau for Keiki are not only being cared for, they are learning how to care for their community too.